Hey everyone, as you can tell, it is nighttime, and it's time for the Canada Classic. This is the first time the Canada Classic has been played at night outdoors. This is the third edition of the Canada Classic between the Millionaires and the Blizzard. Currently, they've split the series. Each team has won one time. This time we're in Calgary. Saskatoon, at McMahon Stadium. The lineups for Victoria, Perron, Whitney, Hossa, Reimer. And for Saskatoon, Sharp, Okposo, Megan, Hart. I've got the lineup cards inside the penalty boxes. Probably won't pose that big of an issue. You guys can still see the whole ice. Anyways, it's 7:30, and there's the low battery warning, so we're just going to go ahead and take a second, plug it in. And now we're going to start the hockey game. Whitney with it. Perron. 7:30 puck drop right on the dot. The pass over to Sharp. And a save by Reimer. That's the first impressive save of the whole thing. And this spot I chose, does not have a lean to it. So this puck will probably move pretty evenly. Here's Whitney. Whitney with it. He has it at the blue line. He's having trouble handling it. A shot does not go. Sharp across. Puck ends up on the line. Now it goes to to Victoria. Nothing special with the jersey matchup here. Just a regular home away. Okposo with it. He shoots it off the side of the net. Whitney has it again. Whitney. Just leaves it for David Perron at the circle. He throws it. He missed the net. Hossa with it. He shoots. He missed. And another save by Hart. And there's a block shot by Perron. A lot of shots coming from both sides to save. And that took a deflection. Perron over to Whitney. He whiffs. Now he gave it away. Okposo shot missed. We're a minute into the game already. And now another turnover. Okposo up to Megan. He shanks it. Now Perron with it. He scored! David Perron with the first goal of the Canada Classic. It's 1-0. Let's go. The home team opens the scoring, and the roughly 22,000 Victoria fans here are going insane. Nice shot by Perron. Get it up. Past Carter Hart, who didn't even really move for it. It's 1-0 Millionaires. There we go. First goal of the game. That's entertaining stuff with 1:48. Whitney with it at the blue line. He shoots no. Carter Hart makes another save. This is the second outdoor game of the day. The first one, if you didn't see that, was the Golden State Hockey Rush. That is the last video before this one. And in case you don't want to take the time and watch it, I'm not going to spoil it. So I'll just go ahead and tell you, go watch it. And the puck is somewhere. I felt it hit me. I'm going to cut the camera so I can find it. Okay, we found it. 94 seconds left in the period. It's 1-0 Millionaires on the goal by David Perron. And I'm actually not too cold. Between periods, I'll likely run inside, take a quick break, and then run out here so I don't catch frostbite. Sharp another try. Reimer another stop. Perron with it across Whitney. Whips it on goal and a save. It comes back, however. And Hossa took a shot away from Whitney. And there's another shank from Wade Megan. Perron again. He whiffs. And he fires one on goal that does not go. Sharp a save. It comes back. And there's another save on Okposo. He now gives it to Megan. 4 tries blocked. And Whitney out of position is blocked again. Sharp a great save. Down to a minute for the period. And that's a shank shot. And Perron threw it and almost went in. Sharp puts one on, it does not go. And Whitney, it took a weird deflection and went out of bounds. This outdoor Canada Classic with the lights on at night. Stuff of legends, man. Puck ends up on the line. It's still on the line. It goes to Sharp, and the save is made by Reimer. Perron puts one on a stop. Whitney turned away by Carter Hart, who now has it in the corner. Okposo, a shot just turned away by Reimer. If he doesn't get a piece of that, that's probably going in and the game's tied. And Hossa put one on, another save. Goes into the penalty box where the Blizzard lineup card is sitting. I put the lineup cards in the penalty box solely because I don't want to deal with them flying around. Long shot from Sharp, did not go. Perron with it. Drops it. He made it look like he was going to throw it, but he dropped it and just took a conventional shot, and it goes in. And we've got a tie game. Kyle Okposo, and it just barely bounced in. We got a tie game. One to one. Kyle Okposo tried to take a shot. I thought Reimer was going to have it, but it took a very weird skip. Reimer had it initially, but he was ultimately thrown off. Tie game. Here's the draw and a shot. That one was missed. Whitney with it. Whitney across. Perron is blocked. He tries again, and Carter Hart just gets a piece of it. Gave it away, Whitney. Gonna save, and now here's Megan with it. He shoots off the goalpost. Rebound. Oh, it just goes high. There's a save by Reimer. Perron with it. Gave it over. Hossa to Whitney. He shoots. Another stop by Carter Hart. There's a quick shot. Whitney with a quick shot of his own. Now they can hold to the last shot. And a shot by Okposo. The save is made by Reimer. That's the end of the period. We got a tie score, 1-1. All right, welcome back to McMahon Stadium in Calgary. We've got a pretty good game here so far. 1 goal each side. And we're just about to resume here. 3 minutes on the clock. Period number 2 is underway. And a shot by Hossa took a weird skip and went into the corner. Okposo with it. Has the Blizzard's only goal. Perron with it. Has the Millionaires' only goal. They won't miss the shots. Or they might have been deflected. Sharp a bomb and another save. Oh, that nearly rolled in. Imagine if that went in. Megan, he kind of duffed the shot, and Hossa can't take advantage. And Megan didn't duff it that time. A lot of back and forth play here. Okposo gets it across. Sharp a shot, another save. And there's another save on Okposo. Megan, oh, that was a Whitney that was blocked by Megan. And Sharp just threw it. That missed. We're back to the high-flying action. Oh! All he has to do is lift the puck. Hart is already down. He hits the goalpost. David Perron. All he has to do is either lift the puck or put it a centimeter to the left of where it was. He hit the goalpost. Wow. Could have been 2-1 right there. Here's Whitney with it. He shoots and he hits the same goalpost. That goalpost is becoming a haunt for teams that play on that side. And now here is Megan. He shoots no. Perron shoots and he makes up for it. David Perron, 2-1. Carter Hart had it, but it bounced in. Perron's got 2. The score. We are 57 seconds into the period. I kind of prematurely ended the song because I wasn't prepared to come back. Now we are, and we're going to go ahead and play. And oh, how did that not go in? And there was another puck very similar to the Perron shot where Hart had it, but then he dropped it. But that time, I think it hit the crossbar, and then it just sat on the goal line. How did that not go in? Okposo with it. Reimer makes the save. I'm still in disbelief of how that one didn't go in. And Perron scores again. 3-1. He's got a hat trick. It's 3-1. Victoria opening up a lead. Perron has all 3 goals. I just suddenly end the song. Down to 100 seconds left. Victoria now with a 3-1 hockey lead. A 3-1 hockey lead. What? Sharp threw it on again. I've seen left wingers commonly doing that. Throwing it, which you can do. It's legal in this league. Wade Megan just blew it. He went offside as he went to go get the puck. He's lucky he didn't make contact with Marian Hossa. I mean, if he had made like minimal contact, like light contact, that wouldn't have been a penalty, but still. 87 seconds. Perron just missed a 4th goal. Whitney's blocked. Perron is blocked. A couple blocks in a row there by Wade Meeking. Given away, Perron has it. It rolls back and he hits the post. And a big shot by Whitney, another save. Reimer makes another stop. A lot of back and forth action now. Owen Sharp blows it by bouncing it off himself and sending it into their end. Meegan with it. Back over to Sharp. He taps it and it's given right to Perron. Man, all these pucks are going right to Victoria players. And a tip past Whitney was deflected on net. Victoria with a 2-goal lead. Puck sitting on the line. And Perron scores again. 4-1. What is going on? This man is unconscious. Victoria opening up a lead. 3 goals in the period. It is 4-1 Blizzard, or 4-1 Millionaires. I think this is similar to how the game unfolded last year, where I think the Blizzard took a 4-1 lead, then Victoria made it interesting. And then Saskatoon ended up winning in the end, but man, this is starting to unfold pretty similarly. All right, 4-1 Blizzard with 53 seconds. Okposo shoots another save across. Here's Sharp with it. And he fires, could not bang it home. Gave it up to Megan, who can't fire it in. And now Whitney with it. He shoots little high. Okposo puts one on their stop. Perron, heat check, and it bounces in off the boards. It does not count. Perron is on fire here. He's got 4 goals to put his team up. And, oh, that took a weird skip. That would have been a goal had it not taken a weird skip. And it went into the camera case, which is sitting right next to the glass. Something that usually doesn't happen. Usually the camera case is sitting on my desk. There's no desk here. Okposo with it. He shoots. No. Perron with it. Bounces it up ahead. Here's the heat check. And that bounce back. It would have been an own goal. Sharp a shot. Nothing. And Hossa puts it wide. Whitney with it with 18 seconds left. He just threw it on net again. Here's Okposo. Sideways shot, nothing doing there. Hossa brings it up, and he kind of lost control of the puck. The Lizard are going to kill as much time as they can. 3 seconds. Sharp shoots nothing. And Hossa goes offside. It's not going to matter as time expires. Victoria with a great second period, especially David Perron. He's got 4 goals. Victoria has 4 goals. They lead by 3. We'll be right back. David Perron and James Reimer have been carrying this team. 4-1. All the goals have been scored by David Perron, and Reimer has only given up 1 goal. So Victoria well on their way to their 2nd victory of the year against the Blizzard. Shot, save, rebound. Perron could not bang it home, and Hossa shoots another stop. Saskatoon needs a goal, and they need one quickly. They're down by 3. 4-1 is your score. No goal. They're saying no goal. It appeared to be a board bounce. Dan Price not arguing it. And apparently there's a second coach for Victoria. That's not right. They don't have 2 coaches. They only have 1. I don't know why I brought out 2 to begin with. Whitney a shot. No good. Perron looking for his 5th as it deflected by his own guy. And that puck takes a bounce and goes out. 4-1 the score here. Only 15 seconds into the 3rd and final period of this game. Whitney has it. He shoots stopped. Here's Sharp. He puts one on. Reimer turns it away. And it's given away. And they score! It's 4-2 now as Kyle Okposo is able to bury one past James Reimer. It's 4-2. Saskatoon Saskatoon right back in it. Kyle Pozo is second of the game. Saskatoon is right back in it. Only 23 seconds into the period. There is plenty of time for Saskatoon to rally back and win, or at least tie. That was a sudden end again. Only 23 seconds in, there's a shot. No, Perron, he's had the high hand. That block nearly went in. Now there's a shot. Oh, how did that not go in? And Carter Hart nearly threw it in his own net. Wow, Carter Hart with a great save. Now Pozo over to Sharp, and Reimer makes a decent save of his own. Perron over to Whitney, he's blocked. And whoa, Hossa almost threw it in his own net. And now Perron threw it, and another save is made. Given away. Whitney one-timered that. You don't see that too often in this league. Perron across. Got it back. He shoots, stopped. He's got all 4 goals for Saskatoon. Whitney, another save. Pozo across. Here's Sharp. And a save again by Reimer. Whitney blasts one, nothing. Sharp does the same thing. Minute 45, still 4-2. And the save is made by Carter Hart. In behind the net is Sharp. Gives it up to Megan. He kind of rounds around the puck. Does not work out. Hossa, he can't bang it home. Down to 90 seconds to go. The score remains 4-2 Victoria. Megan is blocked off. And what a smart play by Sharp to just let that roll back. Whitney with a long shot, nothing. Now he threw it, he scored! Ray Whitney with the throw, beats Carter Hart 5-hole, and that should just about do it. 5-2. Game over. Victoria opened up a big lead in the second, and they don't look back. 77 seconds. It's 5-2. A great effort by these Victoria Millionaires. They're going to win a Canada Classic for the second time. Unless Saskatoon successfully finds a way to make it interesting. Five to 2 is your score. Minute 17 to go. Across like Pozo, a shot deflected on goal. And Victoria is going to go into time-killing mode, up by 3. That was an accidental pass from Perron. Whitney's got it. He shoots. Hart makes the save. Sharp with it. From the circle. Turned away by James Reimer. The Victoria side of these fans getting loud here in Calgary. And it's given away. And a shot save. And for some reason, Saskatoon's passing around. I guess they wanted to possess it for a bit. That was a decent shot by Megan, but it missed. So it was poorly aimed. And a deflection back to Perron. He threw it and missed it. It came back. Pozo, he hits the goalpost. Gets it across. Sharp. Can't do anything with that shot. It is blocked. And Megan hits the goalpost. And it's nearly given away. It comes back, however. And they score. Kyle Pozo with the hat trick. And Saskatoon all of a sudden is right back in this. Kyle Pozo making this interesting. It's a 5-3 game. 26 seconds. Wonder if we'll see a goalie pull. And they're not taking a timeout. We thought it was over. Not over yet, folks. Victoria gets the draw. I don't think they're going to pull the goaltender. There's a drop back pass to Whitney. He missed it. They're not pulling him. Sharp shoots. Oh, how did that not go in? That would hit the goalpost, and Reimer caught it from behind him, and now it's given away. Oh, now they're pulling him. for whatever reason, Campbell's out on the right side. It's kind of too late to do that as the empty netter is put home to make it 6-3 with 5 seconds left. The Victoria Millionaires, that was a meaningless goalie pull. I don't know why they did that. That's probably the stupidest decision of all time. There's 10 seconds left, and you're down by 2. You pull them right away. That is the stupidest goalie pull I've seen in my life. What are you doing? Like, that's a garbage goalie pull. Perron with his 5th of the game makes it a 6-3 lead. There we go, 5 seconds left in the hockey game. 4-3 Victoria gets the face-off, and they win it 6-3 here in Calgary. They win the second outdoor game of the day. Again, 6-3. Bit of a frustrating day for Saskatoon, who's now 503-3. Victoria gets back in the win column after losing 2 straight in overtime. They win it 6-3. At McMahon Stadium. They shake hands to congratulate themselves on a good game. Great game played by both teams. I think it was very well played. Victoria comes out on top, 6-3. Thank you guys for watching. We're going to go and cut this off because I'm starting to get kind of cold. My hands not so much, but my toes are really cold. So I'm going to head in. I really shouldn't have worn sandals, but oh well. What are you going to do? See you later, guys.